Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking the exact name or IP you will test and a resolver to query. This matters because different resolvers can return different records. Use a command line tool like dig or enslookup so you can see raw responses. Online testers work too. Once done, specify the record type, a for IP4, a for IP6, CNAME for aliases, and set the timeout. This ensures you capture authoritative answers rather than cached or partial data. You now run queries and read the output carefully so you understand why a name resolves or fails. Use +trace in dig to follow delegation or target a specific resolver to compare responses. Make sure to inspect the answer section, TTL values, and whether the server marked the response as authoritative. These clues reveal caching or delegation issues. Once you have answers from multiple resolvers, compare them to detect inconsistencies or propagation delays. Finish by recording what you observed. Server IPs, timestamps, TTL, and differing answers so you can reproduce the issue. If a name fails, query NS and SOA records to check delegation and serial numbers. A failed zone transfer or mismatch serial points to zone update problems. If needed, clear caches or force a reload on authoritative servers, then retest. Make sure to verify DNSSEC signatures when used, because validation failures will block resolution even if records exist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.